allergies are not as bad in this video, I promise. Welcome back, or welcome to my kitchen. So today's video is one I've been wanting to do for a little bit, but I haven't really gotten to it, and this is going up late, obviously. It is Sunday. I usually go food shopping on Sundays, not Saturdays or Fridays. So here we are. So as you read by the title, today's video is going to be meal prepping with me. So before we get started, I'm going to get everything set up and then set the camera up, and then I will explain what we're doing. So, okay, so I am actually only going to meal prep for 3 of the days this week, 3 days that I have internship this week, because those are my busiest days. I do not babysit at all this week, so I didn't have to get anything I didn't have to do any extravagant dinner ideas, because I'm not babysitting this week, I'm gonna be home. So, yeah, we have these really cute jars. I got these from the $1.25 store. It's no longer Dollar Tree. It's the $1.25 store. Move my phone over. So I've got 3 of these. And we're going to be doing some berry parfaits this week for breakfast. And the reason I'm not meal prepping for every day, again, is because I only have internship 3 days a week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week. I'm not working this week. They don't need me on the schedule this week. So tomorrow, Monday, I could kind of just wake up and, just make my own. I could just make a fresh parfait, whatever. And then Friday I could do the same thing. So it's not that big a deal. So then I also have these easy lunch box containers. There's only 3 here. The 4th one is over there. It's a green lid. But mine came in purple, yellow, and pink. And they have 4 equal-sized compartments. These were so cute. I found these on Amazon. I will link them below if it'll let me. I tried to link it to Snapchat and it wouldn't let me. So I will link it below if it'll let me. And yeah. And then lastly, for the dinner meals, we have these Bentgo 2 compartment containers. And these containers are stained. They have one big one that reads 2 cups of something, and then a smaller one with 1 cup of something, whatever you want to do. Typically, low-key, I do use these for pastas a lot, which is why they're stained. But anyway, let's get into what we have. All right, so for the parfaits, we have regular, just basic old vanilla yogurt, and this will be enough for the 3 jars. It's not enough for 5. And then we have strawberries and blueberries. Super cute, super fresh, just got them today. And then we have this almond granola bag. This is really good. And because of vanilla yogurt with the vanilla granola, I don't think it's overpowering. I don't think it's a strong sense of vanilla, because these strawberries and blueberries really do balance it out, I will say. I've done this specific parfait before, and the vanilla on vanilla does not overpower. I don't think it does, at least. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 cup of yogurt, 1/3 cup of blueberries and strawberries, and a tablespoon of granola. Now, of course, if I'm doing this specific recipe and it doesn't seem like enough, you can add. It's a little more difficult to take away, but it's easier to add. So let's do it. I want you guys to be able to see the jar more than anything else. So, okay. We're gonna pop this off and get this all situated. And again, this is just regular, basic vanilla yogurt, nothing special, nothing crazy. And I'm obviously only gonna do 1 jar on camera, and I'll do the rest off camera. Grab a spoon, and we're gonna fill up our 1 cup with regular vanilla yogurt. Let's see how this goes. All right. I made a complete and utter mess last time. All right, so I do the strawberries first, and because we have 1/3 cup, I'm just gonna grab. I'm gonna do 3 big ones and then like a smaller one, and we'll see how well this fills up. And I am just using a regular knife. No, I'm not a professional chef. I'm really not a professional anything. I am just, I'm meal prepping with what works for me personally. And again, these are, like the parfait is something that I have done before and it worked for me. And actually it did fill me up. It did fill me up when I tried it the first time. So I am, I'm doing what works for me. I'm not a professional. I always like to throw that out in these videos. Do what works for you. If you're going to meal prep, meal prep things that you like. Make sure you're, looking at moderation and stuff. I think this might be too many strawberries for this measuring cup, to be honest with you. So maybe I'll do this half. Let's see. All right, that's good. So that's what we have. So let's bring this on over, and we're gonna just throw those in on top. And then I'm gonna save these 2 strawberries. And now, the blueberries are easier because you can literally just throw them in the measuring cup and then just rinse them off, which is exactly what we're going to do. All right, so there's what we have so far. And now, just gonna move this out of the way real quick. And we're going to do the granola. I don't know if 1 tablespoon is going to be enough, though, to be honest, for this specific amount in the jar. If I could open it. All right, let's see. All right, so we've got about a tablespoon. Well, maybe. All right, we'll do. All right, let's just. 2 tablespoons. We're going to do 2 tablespoons. So this is what we have. And that is my berry parfait. Okay, parfaits are done. Next, we're moving on to lunch. And I do want to throw out super quick. I totally forgot. So I mentioned internship, and I'm only there 3 days a week, but we're allowed to have snacks with the kids there. I mean, I'm going to start working there, not this week, but the next week. And I, for this week, got chewy, this does have 25% less sugar, so hopefully it's not disgusting, granola bars, regular chocolate chip granola bars. I do love granola bars. And I'm trying these new Nature Valley soft-baked muffin bars. Don't really think these are too great for you, but I just something to hold me over until lunch, because when I'm at internship, I don't eat there. I will come home and eat, and it's about 25 minutes one way. And I'm there for 4 hours, and by the time I get home, sometimes it's 1 o'clock. So I just need that snack to hold me over until I get home. So we have, for lunch, we have these little cheese bites. We've got some pepperoni and salami. These are supposed to be closed, and I don't understand why they're not. I also have some more hard salami because there's only 3 pieces left in this bag. And I have... I have 3 pickles. Oh, I have plenty of pickles. I thought I only had 2 left. Oh, this is great. Okay, so we're just going to do meat first. And we're going to do, I think, 3 and 3 this week, instead of 5 and 5 like I did last week, because it was, I just don't think that ratio was working for me. So with that being said, I don't need that extra meat. And now the salami's on its own. And for the cheese, again, same thing. We're going to do 3 cheddars and 3 Colby Jacks. Still tastes phenomenal. Now, for the crackers, I typically will use Taste of Inspiration's vegetable. Their everything ones are really good too. I've really been vibing with the vegetable ones. However, I did pick up berry. Oh, when she can read. I did pick up pepper and poppy to try this week. And I think I want to try one of these before I just go ahead and use them. So let me do that real quick before I just fill up these boxes with, oh, that's upside down. Before I just fill up these boxes with a cracker I might not even like. Hold on. Okay. Okay, not bad. Let me try a skinny piece. Let's try this. Okay. Okay, they're not bad. They're not bad. So I am going to go in with unbroken ones. And because we have 6 pieces of cheese, I want to try to make the cracker equivalent match that. So that's what we're going to do. Move that over. And then get this out of the way. We're going to cut up a pickle. If I could get it out, we're going to cut up a pickle. Last week I had 2 pickles with each one, but because I'm a little limited, let me see what one's going to look like. Because, I don't know. I'm wondering if I can cut one of these pickles up into 3s and do like a pickle and 1/3. You know, because obviously there's not enough to do 2 pickles again, because I only have 4 pickles. So I think a pickle and 1/3 is going to work. What do you think? I think a pickle and 1/3 will work. So that is lunch and some crushed crackers. So yeah, I'm going to go finish packing the rest of these, and I will see you with dinner. All right, last but not least is dinner, and I picked up some Panera chicken noodle soup. Just something easy, something basic, something that I know I'm gonna like, you know. And then we also have soup and oyster crackers. I love a good oyster cracker. So the soup is obviously gonna go in this section, and the oyster crackers over here. Unless I totally just do oyster crackers and then a little bit of soup. But, you know, really, what's stopping me from doing that anyway? The fact that I can't open the soup is what's stopping me. All right, I do want to throw out, typically when I go to Panera, I don't get the soup. I am more of a sandwich or salad person when it comes to Panera. I usually don't get their chicken noodle too often. So like every time I get this soup, it's like once every 6 months, so I like never remember how it actually tastes. So we're not gonna fill this section up like entirely, but like enough that when I eat it, I'm gonna be full. You know what I mean? Like I don't want anything too crazy. Let's get some liquid in there. A little bit. Okay. I think that's good. The serving size for these is 36 crackers. That's not bad. These crackers are so good. They're so little, they're tiny, and they're good. Yeah, it's a good brand. So, yep. Hopefully this doesn't leak. Oh God, this is what we have. So what we have, oh, it's leaking a little. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the rest of my dinner together, and I will see you for the outro. We're done meal prepping for the week. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Become a banana today. Join the Banana Bunch. We would love to have you. If you want to know what I'm going to be up to, all my social media will be listed down below like always. And I will see you in the next one. Bye! stop recording. Okay. I'm definitely lopsided. What the heck? Is that better? I don't know. Okay, well, whatever. We're done.